How to post on Instagram from a computer. So hello guys, today I'm going to talk about how to post on Instagram from a computer. But unfortunately, I won't be able to show it how to do it visually because I don't have a computer right now. But at least I can guide you verbally. So to post to your feed on Instagram, what you have to do is open your web browser, then navigate to Instagram website and log into your account. Then click the plus sign, also a create button located on the left-hand navigation sidebar. Then click select from the computer or drag and drop your photos or video into the pop-up window. Now, click the aspect ratio icon in the bottom left corner to choose your framing. Then click next. Now apply filters or adjust settings like brightness and contrast. Then click next. Then write a caption and hashtags, tag accounts, and drop a location pin. Click share to publish it to your profile. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope this video is helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in my next one.